Welcome back to Kidding Around. My name is Melanie Smith and this is your weekly update. This week, your kids will be doing a Test Tube Tuesday lesson, a Thoughtful Thursday lesson, and a Wonderful Woman lesson on Saturday. On Tuesday, your kids will be learning all about steamboat technology and will be building a steamboat type boat of their own. So get that bathtub ready. On Thursday, your kids will be making a rainbow mobile, which will hopefully be able to hang in your house and bring some color and fun to everyone who see it. And on Saturday, your kids will be learning about Katherine Johnson, and they'll be able to make an Alka Seltzer rocket, learn about the phases of the moon with Oreos, and also make an aluminum foil moon. The supply lists for all of these activities are right below this video, and they're on the individual videos as well. Please make sure to check out our Facebook site, make sure to check out our Instagram site, and make sure to check out our Pinterest site. And of course, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support. Thanks for kidding around. Have a great week.